Alright guys, so in today's video, we are going to be installing a light bar on the Miata. And as crazy as that sounds, it's kind of needed because if you guys do know, I don't have brights on my car. They don't work. I don't think I wired them up right. But anyway, we're going to install this light bar so that I have a really bright light for the night and doing tailgate runs up hills in Mexico. So we're going to be installing a light bar so that, again, we can see. So let's hop right out there, find a mounting point and a wiring route for wire because, again, the battery is in the back. If it was in the front, it'd be 10 times easier, but it's not, so I have to tear the interior apart. Right, let's go right out there and start installing it. Alright, so in here is a 16-inch light bar. Sweet. Okay. Moving on down here. I'm not quite too sure whether I want it on the bottom or for it to sit on the top like that. Like from back here, it'll be pretty insane. I don't want it forward or sticking out like that. I don't want a bash bar. I want it hidden so it looks pretty clean on the outside still. R.I.P. bumper. You got oh no Alright guys, so just to give you an idea, the wires are coming out from this hole along down here, down this, and starts tucking in behind this seatbelt tower or whatever, right? Goes in there and it kind of disappears here because it's just really tucked in there, and right here, and it's just going to run all the way down there. It looks pretty good from far away, like you can't really tell that it's there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I didn't show you guys much of how much the light bar looks. It was facing the ground, and I changed it to face upwards, but I guess it is night now, so I guess we can show you how it looks. So here it is. Alright, so here is just the light bar, and it is under lights, so I mean, you can see a lot more. So it's like really in the trees, and then gone. And this is the normal lights. This is the light bar. It's a lot better, and it's facing upwards too. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the new upcoming content on the Miata and just upcoming content in general and what we're going to be doing. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video with whatever we do. But until then, goodbye.